tell all our advisors almost every day I'm here how blessed we are. You know, these people want to ensure your success, and they want you to stay, and they want you to create some jobs. They want you to be sticky in the community, and they've done a great job outreaching to their community to bring us into it. I've never felt more welcome here. I'm gonna start crying.
Genius New York is the world's largest accelerator for unmanned systems. We provide $3 million in direct funding into 6 early-stage startups that are focused on the commercial drone industry. We really try to provide everything a startup would need to make them successful right here in Syracuse, New York.
Central New York has done something pretty incredible. There's so many resources here. You have so many different companies doing amazing things with drone tech. Putting all those together allows us to take what we're trying to do much farther than if we were somewhere else.
This region has put in a lot of investment. The state has invested a tremendous amount in this region for unmanned systems because they know that it's the future.
The resources that are available up here are tremendous. Just be embedded in an environment where people really want to do well. They want to help each other. The collaboration between the teams has been phenomenal. We have a great camaraderie here. I have not once have felt like this was a competition with any of the people we're working with.
When I found out about being accepted into the Genius New York program, I was actually in the supermarket between the hummus and the chicken aisle, and I received a call from John Perry. And at first I wasn't really sure if I should answer an unknown phone call from New York. I nearly hit ignore.
Adam Fine speaking.
Hey Adam, I wanted to congratulate you and Dropcopter as being selected as a 2018 Genius New York finalist.
Oh my God, thank you so much. That's such an honor. I cannot, I'm really almost speechless here. Thank you so much.
It was probably one of the most amazing moments of my life.
We're the first international team to participate. We're based in Switzerland. For us, this was a fantastic opportunity to kind of accelerate the go-to US market strategy. And we have some really exciting opportunities that have opened up and become faster because of Genius New York.
Here in Central New York, the kind of companies that are here, the kind of work ethic that is here, we're actually looking forward to leveraging.
Genius New York has the ties and connections that can take your technology and point you to the people that you need to know and meet and talk to.
I'm extremely happy, and I hope that I can contribute to my community, to Syracuse and upstate New York if possible, and also for the nation at large.
I'm ecstatic that I'm here. I mean, this is an opportunity for a lifetime for me.